stated emanating from a Maiso gathering in LA is again a maliciously crude attempt to destabilize the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. They will not succeed. Even the release of the contrived video in the US is a cowardly attempt to escape Philippine criminal jurisdiction. We urge the proper US authorities to investigate and bring to justice the perpetrators of this disgusting act. What's your comment on that, Sas?
Galing yan sa Department of National Defense, correct?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is from the Department of National Defense.
Well, alam niyo naman sa Constitution, no, ang number one duty ng government officials ay protect the people.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
Kaya yan siguro ang panawagan ngayon sa social media, hashtag protect the people after nilang mapanood tong video na ito. Ang nakakapagtaka dito sa statement na ito, sa ating mga manonood at sa inyo dyan sa SMNI, simple lamang na statement, categorical denial that the Commander-in-Chief is not a coke user. Wala sila dyang nakalagay, no? Na yun ang issue Hindi ba?
Yeah. So Sas, if they come out with a categorical statement saying that the Commander-in-Chief is not a cocaine user, will that be fine with you?
Well, Lorraine, the issue has been there 2 years na. Since naupo ang naging Commander-in-Chief nila yan. Hanggang ngayon wala pa silang sinasabing categorical denial. Ngayon lumabas na ang video, ngayon sabihin nila the obviously fake video.
Yeah.
Alam nyo, simple. Okay, the Commander-in-Chief should have taken a hair follicle test a long time ago. Actually, dapat regular yan kung if the issue keep on coming back di ba? Kahit anong moment, sabihin mo, okay, I'm gonna have a hair follicle test right now. Di ba? Bakit hair follicle test? Because coke only stays in urine for 3 days. After 3 days, you're clean. So wala ka ng trace niyan. Hair follicle, mga 90 days yung nagsistay sa system. So dapat matagal na nila itong kinounter because the issue has been there. Pero wala naman silang sinasabi. And let me remind the Filipino public, not a single Marcos, not a single Romualdez has ever denied that their relative is a coke user. Meron ba tayong narinig? Have we ever heard Senator Amy Marcos saying that her brother is not a coke user? Have we even ever heard the wife? Nagpa-interview na yung wife, di ba? Kay Katoni. Ang nireklamo lang niya si Vice President Sara Duterte parang umiti nung sinabi ni Duterte na bangag ang presidente. But have you ever heard her deny that her husband is a coke user? Ang tagal-tagal na anong petsa na Hindi ba? Alam niyo, napakadaling sabihin, no? Kung ikaw ay nasa pang-araw-araw na buhay ng isang tao at nakikita mo ang kanyang pang-araw-araw na gawa, kung ito ay gumagamit o hindi. Alam mo siguro maraming Pilipino ang nagkaroon ng relative na drug user.
Yes.
Alam niyo yan. Di ba?
Yeah.
Alam niyo yan kung gumagamit o hindi.
Sas,
diba? Pwede niyo sabihin, yes.
Yeah, so the way they describe the video is the obviously fake video, no? So, can you comment on that? Because I was told, no, that this video has been authenticated on 2 levels, and it has passed both levels. Number 1, the first level is that it is not a fake; it is authentic, and that number 2, that it is indeed Bongbong Marcos that is in that video. So I don't know where this. Yes, go ahead.
Well, pwede naman sigurong i-meet yung challenge na yan, no? Na if they say that it is fake, then there must be a third party who can collect the video kung nasaan man yung mother copy ng video na yan, and then they can present it and have it authenticated in a third party, preferably sa labas ng Pilipinas, hindi ba?
Yeah.
Like for example, sa Singapore, di ba? For example, sa Singapore or have it in the United States. Mas maganda, 3 pang continent, no? Iba-iba. You can have it in authenticate in Singapore, 1 in Canada or the United States, or and another one in Europe para magkaroon ka ng 3 opinion if the video is authentic or not. And mahirap kasi pag sa Pilipinas yan ipapaano, di ba? Baka magurgur yung magdi-deliver ng video.
Yes. Yes, Miss Sas, may tanong lang din po ang ating mga kababayan dito na kasi every time maglilist tayo ng mga ganitong uri ng pasabog, maglalabas lang silang statement. I-deny na hindi totoo yan. And at the same time, ang hinihiling natin na drug test, wala pa rin po. Ano daw po ang kapamaraanan na kinakailangan pa po natin gawin para at least mas mabigyan din natin na ang ating Pangulo po ay talaga namang lulong at wala na daw pong pag-asa ang bansa.
Well, i-refer ko lang sa Constitution, no? 1987 Philippine Constitution, ang mga Pilipino, Article 2, Section 3. The Armed Forces of the Philippines is the protector of the people and the state. Matindi yung wording doon. Ang unang-una doon, it's protector of the people. The Armed Forces of the Philippines is the protector of the people. Ito ang nakasaad sa Section 3, Article 2 ng Philippine Constitution. Sa Section 4, Article 2, the prime duty of the government is to serve and protect the people. Hindi ba? So, ang ano dyan is, sino ba pinoproteksyonan ninyo?
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Yung nakaupo ba o yung taong bayan? Kasi, this is not, this is a very serious allegation against the Commander-in-Chief.
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Ngayon, ang lumabas na video that appears na the Commander-in-Chief is sniffing what appears to be a white powdery substance, then bakit, di ba dapat ang bias ng gobyerno
Yes.
at ng Armed Forces of the Philippines doon sa duty
Correct.
na protect the people? Kasi alam mo, matagal na tong ano na to ugong-ugong hindi ba? I will be surprised kung ang mga yellows o kakamping hindi sila nagkaroon nito ng copy noon. Siguro hindi lang nila nilabas or whatever, maybe they're using it for something. Pero ngayon, it so happened na the video landed on people na wala namang political, hindi sila politiko, they're not maneuvering, no? Ilalabas lang talaga nila yan, and I believe, I was told na kaya ito natagal na lumabas kasi pina-authenticate pa ito. No, bago ito ilabas kung ito ba AI generated, kung deepfake, and ayun nga, may nakapagsabi din sa akin na the authentication revealed na it is not deepfake.
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Hindi ito AI. It can always be challenged, pero ngayon kasi, again, I will emphasize, not a single Marcos, not a single Romualdez, not a single relative of the president has ever denied, has ever said no, na hindi co-accuser ang kanilang kamag-anak. Sila yung nasa pang-araw-araw na buhay ng presidente.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. Miss Sas, magandang araw po si Ina ito. Susugan ko po itong mga nabanggit nyo kasi lumabas na ang video kasi dati sinasabi, labas na ngayon, lumabas na po. Ano po ang basa ninyo na gagawin ngayon ng Kongreso o ng Marcos administration ngayon tungkol dito? Kasi, di ba, ito po pwedeng maging ground po para maging ma-impeach ang Pangulong Marcos.
Well, again, I will emphasize the duty of the government according to the Philippine Constitution. Section 4. The prime duty of the government is to serve and protect the people. What is best for the people? The best for the people right now is for them to know whether the Commander-in-Chief, the President, the Chief Architect of Foreign Policy of the Philippines is sober. That is the primary question. Di ba? Is he sober? Is he a co-accuser? Was he a co-accuser? If he was a co-accuser, has he stopped? When did he stop? Kasi alam mo, hindi to biro You know, I have friends who have been drugs. I have used something before when I was younger. I had smoked a weed. Pero I know for a fact, because I am a rational person, that if you are on a substance, even on alcohol, you cannot be in a position that makes decision if you are not sober for a long time. Because it will affect your faculties, your cognitive function. Kaya nga dumadaan ito sa rehab or 'di ba nagiging sober ka sa mahabang panahon, even if you're an alcoholic, no? You have to be sober for a long time in order for you to be in your best faculties. That is just scientific fact.
Yeah.
Now, the 'di ba Lorraine?
Yes.
Diyos ko, Lord,
Yes.
siguro karamihan sa atin
Yeah.
ng mga kabataan natin, no?
Yeah,
May mga history. Even the users know that if you are a user, you cannot use drugs and make important decisions, no, in their life. You have to be sober for a long time, and then you enter sobriety. So anong gagawin? I don't know, Congress, this is a test of your conscience, hindi ba? Again, your duty is to protect the people, what is best for the people, and that is to know whether the president is really on coke or not. And as of now, wala namang nagdi-deny na the president is a coke user.
Sans,
Sino ba nag-deny?
yeah, Sans, do you have high hopes that Congress is going to do the right thing? Because you said, if Congress has a conscience, no, and what is the history of Congress? What is their track record?
Well, the Congress is, the House of Representatives is led by the cousin of the president.
Yes.
Yeah.
It goes without saying. Hindi ba? Kasi matagal na itong ugong-ugong si Nikki Cosseteng nga, di ba, noong 2022, categorical yan sinasabi na itong candidate pa lang noon na si BBM ay gumagamit. Wala naman nagdemanda sa kanya noon. Hindi pa presidente yung nakaupo. Tapos ngayon atat na atat silang magdemanda. Na ngayong presidente ka na. Hindi ba dapat mas atat na atat ang taong bayan? Hindi ba? At ang Kongreso, ang mga congressman, ang boses ng taong bayan, atat na atat, mas atat na atat talaga tayo dapat. Malaman na
Sas, may tatanong
ang
ako.
ating-
May tatanong
Oo.
ako sa iyo. Kasi sabi dito sa statement ng DND, even the release of the contrived video in the US is a cowardly attempt to escape Philippine criminal justice, the
Yes.
jurisdiction. So, bilang you've lived in Europe, 'di ba, and all over the world, 'di ba? So, to my mind, before this president became president, we would have shown this here. No? We would have shown this video here. Except that the political climate has gotten so that it's so oppressive and talagang tatakutin ka and they will do something. No, just me and Eric asking, is it true that you, Mr. Speaker, that your travel expenses was 180 billion, something like that, 'di ba? Already we were illegally detained because of that. So my question to you, is that being a global citizen, what is your take on this? That even the statement of the DND worries me because he says even the release of the contrived video in the US is a cowardly attempt to escape Philippine criminal jurisdiction.
Yeah.
You mean to say showing a video like this of the president in a compromising situation is a criminal act? Really?
Hindi, ang sabi kasi nila, una, fake ang video.
Yes.
Diba? And then, sabi nila,
okay.
ang pagpapalabas ng fake na video na ito is an attempt to escape criminal prosecution.
Okay. Yes.
Eh, ang dami namang, unang-una, ang dami namang fake na inilalabas sa mga government official. It's not just a video. Di ba? Kung sila, alimbawa yung the mere accusation, Lorraine, the former president already said na bangag ang presidente.
Yeah.
So did President Duterte escape criminal jurisdiction? Kung criminal pala, kung fake pala yung accusation na yun, why don't you file a case against the former President Duterte? It's already July. Hindi ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
So Chas, so once
Yes.
again, parang what I'm seeing kasi is a lifetime pattern of this man, this Bongbong Marcos, where people protected him, and covered up for him so that he was able to step into high office. He was governor, he was congressman, he became senator, despite his lackluster performance, and the only thing that he had going for him was his family name. People covered up for him. And I remember asking Senator Amy Marcos, why did he run if he didn't have any plans of serving the Filipino people? And her response was so clear. She said, because ever since we were small, we were told the expectation on Bongbong Marcos was there was supposed to be another President Ferdinand Marcos. In other words, they felt entitled to the presidency. So they had to cover up for this fractured human being. No, so Sas, please comment on that.
Well, again, nabanggit mo si Senator Amy Marcos. Even Senator Amy Marcos has not denied that her brother is on coke or a coke user. Has she?
No.
No. Has Eni Romualdez? Again, has Eni Romualdez? No. Diba? Even the immediate family has never denied that. Ngayon, itong sinasabi mo, Lorraine, no? People have always protected him. Well, there are always enabler around
Correct.
wrongdoings like this. Yung sinasabi ng Department of National Defense na the showing of the contrived video in the US is a cowardly attempt to escape Philippine criminal jurisdiction. Pero at the same time, they want the US authorities to investigate and to actually punish the perpetrators ng sinasabi nilang disgusting act. Pero hindi naman nila malaman kung ano yung criminal doon. I think it is high time that the Department of National Defense takes seriously the duty of the government to protect the people. Ibig sabihin, the welfare of the people must be protected. Ano ba yung hinaing ng mga taong bayan? They want to make sure that the commander-in-chief is sober. So maybe Congress should finally pass a law that government officials should be subjected to a random drug test. Dalawa dapat. Urine, yung bodily fluids, and then random hair follicle test. Kasi hindi na to biro. Hindi ba?
Yes.
Hindi biro. Sa pamilya nga, hindi biro na may na meron talagang addict eh.